Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is the age of father and his son together is 80 years as on today. The father will have his 65th birthday celebration exactly 10 years from today. The age of the son as on today is. See, what they have given is the age of father and son together they have given. Next, the father's age will be 65 after 10 years. After 10 years as on today, then you have to calculate what is the age of son as on today. Let me consider X as age of the father and Y as age of the son. Now as per the given problem, the age of father and son together is 80. That means X plus Y is equal to 80. Okay. Now see. The father will have his 65th birthday celebration exactly 10 years from today. Okay. That means let me consider X as the age of the father as on today. Now after 10 years, what will be the father's age? The age of the father is 65. Okay. Now if I simplify this, I'll get X is equal to 65 minus 10, that is equal to 55. Am I right? Am I right? See what I have considered. First, the age of father and son is 80. Let X be the age of the father and Y be the age of the son. The age of father and son is togetherly 80. First case is over. Next, the father will have his 65th birthday celebration exactly 10 years from today. That means if I consider X as the age of the father as in today, after 10 years, the age of the father will be 65. Now what do we get? X is equal to 55. This means that the age of the father as on today is 55 years. Now put this X value in the first equation. What will you get? See, this equation can write this as Y is equal to 80 minus X. Can I write Y equal to 80 minus X. Now put the value of X. What is the value of X? It is 55. 80 minus 55. What do I get? What do I get? Yes, 80 minus 55 is exactly it is 25. So now what is Y? Y is nothing but age of the son as on today. Now what do I get? Y equal to 25 years. That means the age of the son is 25 years as on today. Now the age of the son as on today is, let us see the given options. The first option is 35 years. The second option is 30 years. The third option is 25 years, which matches with our answer. Therefore, option third is the right option. We will see some more number of problems.